Here we go. We have a question minimum cost of ropes. So you have given an integer array containing the length of different ropes. We need to connect these ropes to form one single rope. The cost to connect two different ropes is equal to the sum of their lengths. So our task is to connect the ropes with a minimum cost. Here is an example. So first we connect the rope of 2 and 3. So its total cost is 5, and after connecting 2 and 3 we have 4, 5 and 6 length ropes. On our next step we are connecting 4 and 5. So we connected this and this. So we have 9 and 6 length ropes remaining. Our cost to connect these different ropes is 9. Then we have only two ropes. So we connect these two ropes. The cost is 15. And after connecting this, we have a single rope whose length is 15. So overall, the total cost is 5 plus 9 plus 15. So the total answer is 29. In our second example, we have these different lengths of ropes. So in the first step, we connect 4 and 2. So its total cost is 6, and we have 6, 7, 6, 9 length ropes remaining. On our next step, we connect 6 and 6. So we have 12, 7 and 9 length ropes remaining. To connect 6 and 6, uh, the cost is 12. So we have 3 ropes. On the next step, we connect these 2 ropes. Our cost to connect these 2 ropes is 16, and after connecting this, we have 12 and 16 length ropes remaining. So in our final step, we connect these 2 ropes. The total cost is 12 plus 16, which is I think 28. So, and at the end we have one single rope whose length is 28. So the overall total cost is 6 plus 12 plus 16 plus 28. So it is 62. So that's about it. I hope you already figured it out. We need to first to find the smallest two length ropes and we connect this rope. So we will consider the cost and add the total length into the initial length ropes. So this is a pretty simple question, and to get the smallest two smallest uh, length ropes, we need to use priority queue. So we have a priority queue. The default behavior of priority queue in Java language is minimum heap, means it will give us the minimum element first. So first I have to mm, add all these different length of ropes into priority queue. So after adding this, we need to iterate till we need a variable. So we need to iterate till our ropes is greater than 1, because we need one single rope. So we remove the two smallest ropes a and b. We have its cost a plus b. We consider this cost and we add the connected rope again. So after adding this connected rope, at the end we have our answer. So that's about it. It's a pretty easy question. Let's give it a try. And in between, let's talk about time and space complexity. So we are adding and removing. So adding takes log n, removing takes log n. We have in total n elements. The time complexity is n log n, and space complexity is order of n. So that's about it. We have reached meet the expected time and space complexity. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Code is given in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching.